What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen. How to cook. Let me turn that off because that's a copyright. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And we are not in the kitchen. Of course, it is Vlogmas. I'm out here on these Atlanta streets, you guys, and I am going to go into the supermarket directly behind me. I want to see what them oxtail look like. And I want to the price too. Oh my goodness, not only what it look like, but the price. It's very cold out here, you guys. It's really nippy. The sun is out. Let me show you all. Sun is sunning, but it is not as warm as it looks. Okay, so with that being said, I have some things to do out here though. I have to get some things accomplished, and so I am going to be doing just that. And I'm hoping that my outdoorsy for the rest of the week is at a minimum. Just do what I have to do on the inside of home, okay? But right now I'm gonna have to do that because I need water, and I don't think I need vegetables or whatever, because I did go into Aldi's and pick up a couple of things the other day. And believe it or not, I still have leftovers. I told you guys that my husband don't eat like he used to, and neither do I, you know? So I don't be cooking as much as I used to. Like, since I cooked for Thanksgiving, I have not cooked since. But yeah, it is what it is, do what it is. But I have to go in there and get some oxtail because I feel like I need some oxtail. But if it's too expensive, I'm not going to get it. And if it look too fatty, I'm not going to get it either. But I need to pick up some cow foot also and some fish if them have it. So that's what I'm about to do right now, you guys. Please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already, because it is really appreciated. I'm happy to do this Vlogmas challenge here on the channel. Never done it before, ever in the history of how to cook channel. Me never do it before. I've done it on my Life as Juliana and everywhere else, but I have never done it here, and it's a challenge. But there's nothing that, you know, we can't try and challenge it. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna take you guys inside of this the farmer's market and pick up a couple of things. Not a lot, but I just want to show you you know, what I'm up to today. It is Monday. So happy Monday. If you have not subscribed to my channel Life as Juliana, y'all go over there and subscribe. Show no love. Show no love. If you're not loving a girl, yes, so you're not gonna love me over there the same way. Because over there I can take off my wig and feel good about it. So come over to Life as Juliana, y'all, and subscribe, because I'm very consistent over there. Okay, very. So come over and show some love there. All right, period. So let me go ahead into the supermarket, you guys, and grab a couple of things, and then I'll meet you back at home.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
All right, goodies. So your girl made it back home safely. It was crowded out there, and not only was it crowded, it was chilly. It was windy. So I had to make sure that I was bundled up, you guys. But it was pretty chilly out there. The sun out and everything, as you could probably see in the background. The sun is still out there, but the sun don't mean nothing. But I was able to get what I needed though. I went into Food Depot and I did go to the farmer's market because inside of Food Depot their oxtail was crazy. The price was crazy. So I didn't get it there. I had to drive. I didn't put that on camera, but I did drive to the farmer's market, as you could see here, and get some oxtail. Their oxtail that I purchased, I have 3 different prices, but I picked up the one for $12.99. And then I got some fish and I'm gonna buy some fish and cow foot. Yeah, is what I picked up. Also get some saltfish and them something there. But yeah, that was it, you guys. I'm literally kind of tired right now because just driving alone in the Atlanta streets is enough. It do me over every time. So I'm not going to cook for sure. But I'm going to take out. Maybe get some chicken too. But I'm going to get the chicken in a Food Depot because their chicken was $7.99 for the bag of legs and thighs. So that was a good deal. In the farmer's market, this was like $12 for the bag. So farmer's market was better. Food Depot was better as far as price for the chicken was concerned. But them oxtail, crazy. Farmer's market, better. What else did I do there? That was about it. And I did go into the liquor store and pick up some eggnog because I'm going to need that for the Christmas coming. I did buy some eggnog, a small bottle for Thanksgiving, but that almost finished. That has them almost finished that. So I went and picked up a huge bottle of the eggnog in the liquor store. And yeah, that was it. So I'm going to prep my chicken. Because when I buy chicken legs and thighs, I usually cut them up and clean them and separate them in a different bags. Put like the drumsticks in a one bag. Cut out the chicken back for make soup. Use the thigh for something else, I always do that. And sometimes I take the bone out of the thigh, like right now, because I'm going to need them for make. I'm going to need it for make salad. You guys going to be seeing that. I think I'm going to do one salad recipe, or I'm going to make salad and stuff like that, you know, for lunch. I'm going to show you guys that in tomorrow's vlog. But anyway, you guys, I'm going to end this vlog here, this Vlogmas thing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you did enjoy a short little supermarket thing. Nothing big or fancy or not like that, but we got to bring these videos, okay? So like, share, and subscribe, you guys, and be safe out there, because it is crazy right now, because everybody are go shopping and the drivers are driving crazy. So be careful and just watch yourself, all right? Make sure son stay prayed up everything, and give thanks. Give God thanks in everything that you do. Because remember, with God in the middle of the vessel, you can ride out any storm, all right? So always remember, you guys, tell a friend about this channel, how to cook, all right? And with that being said, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next Vlogmas. Bye, guys. Later.